There are two main ways in which we encounter virtual particles. The common explanation is that virtual particles come into existence from nothing, then rapidly disappear. This is a misunderstanding of the quantum structure of space and the limitation of measurement. They're often detected in vacuum chambers, and here's why we get the illusion that they're particles. Firstly, in order to build a vacuum chamber, we must construct the walls of the chamber. And each and every atom in the walls of the chamber give off waves. Waves from each nucleus and each electron shell in each atom. With gazillions of atoms, all the waves combine at areas causing constructive interference. With enough waves passing at any single point, the overlapping momentum combines and can be quite significant, giving the illusion that they're particles, like fermions and bosons, but they're not, they're just wave mergers, which is exactly the same as what gives the illusion of superposition, which I explained in other videos. The other type of virtual particles is where objects pass their detection range at high speed. Electrons, for example, are so fast they would go to the moon and back in about 6 minutes. So as you can imagine, say we're looking at something through a microscope, say an electron or muon passes our view from a different direction, it'll come in and out of view in an instant, which may give the illusion that they come in and out of existence. In order to understand it better, we have to let go of the idea that particles exist in empty space held together by supernatural forces. In order for any object to pull on another object, there must be a constant physical connection. Neo-string theory shows that the space-time fabric is an actual physical elastic-type lattice. All so-called particles are in fact different arrangements of vortexes, electrons and positrons held in different combinations, getting constantly clumped together and ripped apart like super tiny, fast-moving, fast-spinning magnets inside a network of elastic tubes. As they move through the network, they cause ripples in the network, and it is these ripples merging momentarily which gives the illusion of virtual particles. This is the reality from the only model which makes sense out of quantum physics, neo-string theory. The only full working model of physics which explains everything with no paradoxes and is consistent with all experimental data and all the observational data in cosmology. It's covered extensively in this YouTube channel, Breaking Physics Beyond the Standard Model. It's also on odyssey.com, Science Not Dogma, and the theory of everything, which is constantly being reviewed and updated, is on double-solution.weebly.com/springtimetheory.html.